from SanAntonioMobileMechanic.com.
Local emergency vehicle roadside assistance service in San Antonio and Bexar County, Texas area for car owners and drivers. We know life doesn't stop just because your car does. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Whether you're cruising along I-35 exploring the Mission Trail or simply heading home from work, car troubles can hit anytime, anywhere. But don't worry, A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic San Antonio is here to help Bexar County. Just call 210-693-0830 anytime you need us. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic, San Antonio, we provide fast, reliable solutions for all kinds of vehicle emergencies, including battery jump starts and replacements. We'll get your car running again in no time. Lockout services, accidentally locked your keys in the car, happens to the best of us, fuel delivery, ran out of gas. We'll bring fuel directly to you so you can get back on the road. We're here to make your day a little easier. Buying a used car in San Antonio? Don't make a costly mistake. Our pre-purchase car inspection service gives you peace of mind. We thoroughly examine the vehicle for hidden issues and provide you with a detailed report so you can make an informed decision. Here's why drivers across Bexar County trust us. Fast response times will get to you quickly within availability. Call us anytime at 210-693-0830. Transparent pricing. No hidden fees, no surprises, just honest upfront rates, skilled mechanics. Our team is experienced, professional, and equipped to handle any vehicle issue with real-time tracking. If you find yourself stranded, pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights, call 210-693-0830 and provide your location, and we'll be there as quickly as possible. San Antonio. Don't let car troubles ruin your day. Call A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic San Antonio at 210-693-0830. We're here to keep you moving. Fast, reliable, save our number, and call us today. Please let us know if you have any comment, question, or observation regarding this video, and don't forget to watch more video by click on the video on the screen right now.